we're up here in Stevens Pass right now. We got Dakota, Caleb, and I. We found a little spot where we could pull off to the side. About to cross the railroad tracks right now and get down to the river.
Where's the river? Ah! Let's go across.
Yeah, where is the river? I hear it. This is cool. Yeah, yeah.
Careful, it's
Thank you. Oh yeah, yeah.
I have a bunch of lighters there so I can bring them. Oh, yeah,
I have confidence right now.
That's where it gets super busy, but this side
I
is
see a
where
couple
it's not,
guys.
is not busy. So.
Yeah, I see a couple guys down there. So, do we take it right?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
It's so blue.
I know. It's like bluish green.
Yeah.
Like a teal. Well, maybe we can walk down pretty far here.
Yeah, I'm gonna see.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So
Oh my god. Look, some bait right there. So we listened to everybody's recommendation. We're trying a float jig setup. Just got a, I think it's a size 2 float on a barrel swivel with a pink jig. So I've got a pink jig. We've got a couple other colors that we'll try to use. We'll continue doing this for a while. Like I said, we're trying to catch some steelhead, so hopefully we get something good. Did I catch something or did oh I caught something. I caught something. I caught something, guys. I caught something. What the fuck? Unless it's off. That was my first cast. Did I catch some? Guys, I caught some. Hey, can you get the net? Get the net? Dude, I think it's a fucking steelhead. I think it's a fucking steelhead. That was my first, that was legitimately my first cast. I think it's a fucking steelhead, dude. Oh, dude, I think it's a fucking steelhead.
It's alright, it's alright.
I'm just letting it do its thing.
Yeah. Tire it out.
Very first cast. Dude,
Good luck already, bro.
that's insane. That's insane. I don't think you can get much deeper into the water there.
Yeah, I see where it is.
Dude, that was crazy. Oh, it's running.
Fighting.
Yeah. Yeah, it is fighting. Oh shit. It's jumping and everything. This is awesome, dude. First fucking catch. Or cast. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh shit. Almost there. Almost. Oh shit. Oh, dude, this is so much fun. Come on. Yeah, just straight up and down. Oh my god, is that a steelhead? Holy shit. We gotta put it back. Shit. Okay. You can put the pole off on the corner. It's wild.
I got a fish. I was like, wait, whoa, that's
Get the
not
net,
a
get the
snag.
net.
Here, can
I
you
couldn't
just
tell
do
if
it?
you were like talking on the video or not, so I was like, oh, and then I heard get the net, get the net. I was like, oh shit.
Literally first cast I threw. I didn't even record my cast, but I caught a steelhead, my very first steelhead. Yeah, you guys weren't joking with this bobber setup. Hopefully we catch something else. We fished here for about 15, 20 minutes. We haven't gotten another bite or anything like that, so we're gonna move spots, probably just down the river. But these rocks are so slimy and slippery. I'm falling everywhere. Oh shit, that looks cool.
Yeah.
We could try it out.
Down there, and then just work our way back.
Yeah. The only thing I'm worried about is the depth of this. I'm worried about the depth of this. I don't want to snag. That's the only thing.
I just shortened my leader.
Well, I think we should just set our bobbers appropriately.
Yeah, maybe I'll bring my bobber down a little bit.
Yeah.
My leader is pretty
Matters
long.
If it's on the leader or not.
Oh shit.
I have mine on my leader right now. I've been having good luck.
Yeah, you said you've been having good luck. Yeah.
Dude, when you go to a rock place and buy rocks for your yards,
Yeah, just
rocks
come here.
with moss like this cost like 3 times as much.
Well, how much does a regular rock cost?
It depends on the size, but a size of rock like that, $100 to $200 for that rock.
Rock with moss, 500?
What's that? With the moss, it probably, yeah, maybe like $300 or $400. Just for one rock like
This
that.
seems like a lucrative business.
Wouldn't it die?
No,
Oh, the moss doesn't die?
no, because it's pretty much like weathered on there.
All right, so when we leave,
We'll
I
just
think
take
each of us take one.
Yeah, a sizable rock. We
Yeah,
we
a
need
good
decent
size. Good size.
Yeah.
And we need a male and a female so they can
Mate.
they can mate and we can have multiple.
All right, grab that rock.
Okay, that one's a little
Caleb,
bit too
you got
big.
That one?
That one's an old timer. I don't know if he has anything left in his
Yeah, that one's like
system.
a great grandpa.
Great grandpa rock.
This is nice. It's pretty open.
Yeah. Yeah, let's try this out.
Okay.
Okay, let's hope we don't snag the first cast. Oh, this is going a lot faster than the other one, the other spot. Well, you've kind of got a spot where it slows down right there. Yeah. Because I threw it out a little farther and mine was going quick. Yours is floating at a good pace. Yeah. Okay, so we've been at this new location for probably 10 minutes by now. No bites, nothing. The current's a lot stronger over here. I think it's actually deeper. Like at least right here in front of me. We're just gonna continue here for another 5 more minutes, then keep making our way down the river and probably make it all the way down to where we came in and head out.
Oh, look, there's people rafting down. Oh,
Where?
Kayaks.
Oh, all the way down there? That's insane that they're even doing that.
Yeah, in the rapids.
That's so cool though
That is pretty cool.
to see.
If we had kayaks, we could do stuff like that too.
Would you do that?
Yeah.
I don't know if I would do
Really?
that. Not with white, like the, what do they call it? White river rafting? Yeah.
I think this is less intense than that, but over there it still looks pretty intense.
It does.
I'm gonna catch myself a kayak here.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's gut ourselves a kayak.
Oh, we got a big one.
A big one. Here they come. Oh, they even have helmets and everything. Yeah. Oh, they're moving. Hey, you catch any fish out there? Any luck? Oh.
What?
Yeah, watch out if it swings back towards you too.
I'm just trying to slowly get the branch to keep breaking off.
Yeah. Oh, I see. You're kind of like sawing it off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's so close.
I know exactly what happened.
What?
I was just like fucking around in my head. So I was like, oh, we're gonna move to a different spot, and the kayakers came by and everything.
Yeah.
And then I saw the bird go by. I was like, I'm gonna catch myself a bird. So I threw it up higher.
You're out here hunting.
Like, obviously, I'm not gonna catch a bird.
No, but in your head, you're
Yeah, I
like,
was like,
oh, I'm gonna catch one of those.
That's the definition of ADHD.
What?
Going fishing and then he's like, bird.
Yeah, that's what he did.
It was kind of instant karma, but you know.
You know what I was thinking down there? I was like, are there bears here?
Oh, probably. When there's
Those-
fish, there's bears.
Yeah, we're like in the mountains.
Yeah.
'Cause I was over there and I kept hearing something. I was like, I thought it was you walking.
Oh shit.
And I was like,
No, yeah, there's definitely
bears
bears
out
here. Yeah. We've seen a bear not too far up from here growing up. We were going over the pass and there's a big ass bear in the middle of the road. So yeah, there's bears
Shoot
over
it?
here. Did we shoot it?
yeah,
No. Take it home.
yeah. Some bear burger.
Very delicious. What, the Gone Wild girls?
Yeah.
Yeah, they probably got family and kids. Husbands out fishing. Dakota, where do you think the Gone Wild girls are now? Old and crusty?
It was like 20 years ago.
Yeah, but they gotta be. They're probably like 50 now, right? 40 something?
That's when they took care of it.
Yeah. We'll start over here and make our way down. You're right. I like this spot a lot better. There's not as many rapids over here. What's up? You did what Dakota did? Are you trying to catch a bird?
You need a fucking pole. God damn it.
So far, one fish, two trees. I think that's why I like fishing. Like, you don't have to catch anything. You just kind of go out, enjoy the weather. Even though it's raining really hard right now, it's just really relaxing, and it's just nice. Yeah, true. Like, if you go on a hike and it's not like the best hike, you still felt good after going on the hike. Okay, we're gonna head out. I think we've been here for 4 hours, something like that. Caught 1 fish, 2 trees, but we're definitely coming back to this spot. It's been awesome. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Subscribe.